Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sync a video and an audio file in Final Cut Pro. So what we have right here is an example that I've set up. This video right here is me using the inbuilt microphone on my camera, and I have also recorded some external audio at the same time, which I would like to sync so that I can use the external audio for my video clip. So to be able to do this, this is really simple to do. All we need to do is make sure that we have both of our files imported into Final Cut. From here we need to select both files, so we can either just highlight over both of them, or we can click on one and then click using the command click option to highlight both of them. And then what we want to do is either double tap if we're using a trackpad, or right click on any of the files, and then we want to select synchronize clips. From here we can name our synchronized clip whatever we want, so I'm just going to call it clip 1. And then the key things that we need to make sure are selected is number 1, use audio for synchronization. So basically what Final Cut is going to do is look at the audio in both of your files and then use that to automatically sync it. And then also we want to disable the audio components on the AV clips, so the audio and the video clip, so we don't get two sets of audio when we actually export it. From here, all we need to do is go ahead and click OK. Final Cut will then synchronize that clip, and it will produce your clip right here that we can put into our timeline. And if we were to actually play it, we have our normal video clip using the external audio, and everything should be synced up. Hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.